Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another Mr. Farney Science Classroom video. If you are here, we're going to take a brief look at the different functionalities that are available within, as you can see, Google Earth. Now, the lab that we're going to be doing in class involves going to different volcanoes around the world using Google Earth and some of the functionalities found there within. So, what we're going to do is we're going to explore some of the basic functionalities. That way, if you have trouble with some of them, especially the ones that we're going to be using in class, you'll be able to look back at this video and figure out how to do these on your own. So firstly, a couple of things I do want to point out that I'm going to box in little rectangles is up here in the left-hand corner of the screen is a little magnifying glass. Using that magnifying glass, you'll be able to search for different locations around the world. So right now we are in South America, as you can tell by the map on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. So if I wanted to go to a different location, all I have to do is just click on that magnifying glass and let's type in another volcano. Let's type in Mount St. Helens, Washington. It comes up. I click on that, and it'll automatically transport you from wherever you are on your Google Earth map to the new location in which you would like to investigate. So here we are. We're now in Mount St. Helens, and I think, in my opinion, this is just such a really cool feature of Google Earth, being able to kind of zoom around and look at these different volcanoes and things of that nature. So we're going to hang out for Mount St. Helens here for the rest of this demo. What you'll notice in the top right-hand corner there is a little box that gives you so much information. It tells you the type of specific volcano, stratovolcano. You don't have to worry about stratovolcano for our class. That's kind of a subsection of composite volcanoes that we're not going to necessarily concern ourselves with. But if you wanted to kind of find out more information, you can kind of click on the more info button here, and it'll pop up a whole little outline about what Mount St. Helens is, some elevation info, when it was first ascended, the year in which it erupted most recently. All this fun sorts of information can be located, provided by Google Earth. So that is really cool. So that is the search function. Other ones that we're going to take advantage of, again, on the left-hand side screen there that I'm boxing in red, that is a measurement tool. You can use that to figure out distances on this map if you want specific A to B points. So if I click on that little measurement tool, it's going to say select a starting point. So let's just say I wanted to map the crater, how long it is all the way around the crater of Mount St. Helens. So let's just say it starts here. It provides a link, and then as you go, you can add new bullet points or new little dot locations wherever you want to kind of just track the location. So as you can see, I'm going around the crater, clicking every so often, and it's allowing me to adjust the line as I go around the crater. While it's doing that, it's showing you how long in meters this total line is happening. So the entire kind of almost, call it 75% of this crater mouth is about 5,000 meters. That is a long distance. Keep in mind, 1,600 meters is about a mile. So this is easily little more than 4 miles, almost 5 miles in length. So very long distance right there. Once you are finished with the measurement tool in the top right hand corner, it shows you how much distance you've done. You can press either done, the checkbox, or you can X out of it, and it closes out of that measurement tool, and we are finished there. One or two more things that you want to point out. Again, you can manipulate the mouse by left clicking, by middle clicking your mouse, by moving around. You can zoom out so you can see what it looks like from a distance. You can zoom all the way in if you wanted to get a much more specific, what word am I looking for here? Much more specific kind of graphics of inside parts of the volcano. Like we're up here in the lava dome and parts of it called the boot. In the bottom right-hand corner, it shows you what elevation your mouse is located. It shows you the GPS coordinates, how high the camera is, and then it also shows you a scaled measurement at the bottom. All these are different tools and functions that you're going to be using while within Google Earth for our lab. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If not, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.